bigger that thing is, the better. And
this is a house that Ricky's looking at, and there is the Dalai Lama. I don't know if I got him in here or not. He looks little on the screen. Or at least a llama. And here is the house. It has these tree trunks are holding it up. It is beautiful. Just tree trunks up to the top. And it's got 11 acres out here. And it's Ron and Robert. We're waiting for Ricky to get here so we can show him the inside of the house. It is really big. And then you come down to the lake. There's a nice lake down there, pond I guess you'd call it, on both sides of the road. There's a pond over here. And I'm going to zero in on this. Since it's 11 acres totally fenced in, I'm going to zero in on an animal. I don't think that he would come after me. He's got a fence. And there he is. Nice animals. He's really looking at me like, who are you? Trying to zero in closer there. There he goes. And there's another little animal. And I think there was some goats around there. So if you want an 11-acre house, this is it. And I'm going to try to walk around the other side here and see where Robert and Ron went, although we're trying to 11 beautiful acres, trees. Wish Ricky would get here. The pond again.